welcome back to Software Tips for QA and Dev. If you are into QA or development, you know that having the right tools can make all the difference. Today we are checking out three awesome tools: Snipping Tool, Xbox Game Bar, and Microsoft Clipchamp, and how they can step in for the retired steps recorder. And stick around because we will break down how each tool can boost your workflow. Let's kick things off with a snipping tool. So this tool is a real classic and super handy for grabbing screenshots. It's available for Windows 10 and 11, and all you need to do is use a window logo and Shift and S to start a snip. And whether you are capturing a bug or highlighting a piece of code, snipping tool gives you options like freeform, rectangle, or window. You can capture a freeform, rectangular area, a full screen snips. It's quick, easy, and perfect for annotating your images. So you go to the start menu, or you can find the tool, or you can press the Windows logo key, Windows Shift S, and you can print screen, and you can open it in the static image snip. And as I said, it's quick, easy, and perfect for annotating your images. So if you are into QA or development, this one is a must-have. Next up, we got the Xbox Game Bar. So how to use this? All you need to do is press the Windows logo key plus G on your keypad to open the game bar. And it's so easy where you can see the instructions here. You can do lots of things. While it is known for gaming, it is also a gem for developers. With Xbox Game Bar, you can record your screen and capture video, which is perfect for documenting issues or recording test scenarios. It is packed with features that make creating video documentation a breeze. If you haven't checked out this, you should definitely check it out because you might be surprised at how useful it can be. And last but not the least, let's talk about Microsoft Clipchamp. If you don't have it, you can go to Microsoft Store and install this amazing tool. So this tool is your go-to for video editing. It's user-friendly, and it is not only user-friendly, it makes your editing your screen captures or creating demo videos a cinch. So easy. You can easily trim, cut, and enhance your videos. And you can see here all the things you can do. They have their templates you can use and customize it to your needs, and you can do a lot of other things. You can enhance your video, make them look professional and polished. It's a fantastic tool for crafting tutorials or presentation to share with your team. And yeah, you can even record your camera as you do the recording. So remember the old step recorder that you use? It's no longer available, but there are many alternatives to record your screen. So with snipping tool for screenshots, Xbox Game Bar for recording, and the last but not the least, the Clipchamp for editing, you got everything you need to handle your documentation and video needs. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. For more tips and tools, let us know in the comments which tool you find most useful, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.